Nicole, another benefit, and one that people love, is our paint, scratch, repair benefit. Okay? Now, have you ever had somebody scuff or slightly mar the paint on your car?
Yeah, I've had a guy and he was backing out and his mirror just barely got my car as he backed out.
But it left a mark.
Yes.
Okay.
A black mark on my white car.
Oh my gosh. Well, this is something that would be covered because chances are that's the type of scuff or scratch that can be buffed out. As long as the paint isn't broken,
Yeah.
you get a scuff or a scrape like that, we are going to buff it out for the next 6 months, an unlimited number of times.
Okay.
What's it do for you? Well, it keeps your vehicle looking better. The better your vehicle looks, the more you're going to get for it when you trade or sell it, and it keeps money in your pocket. Look, basically this whole program is going to lower your cost of ownership, increase your resale value, and you combine those two, we are going to drive down your total investment in this vehicle. Okay?